would you do with £50,000 right now? In today's market, in the situation we're in today, when we're recording, which is the end of 2020, what would you do with £50,000?
So providing that you are mortgageable and you have a good credit and can get mortgages or finance, I would go to a part of the country where property values are, let's say, 100,000 or below. So split the 50 into two. You've got £25,000 you can put against a bridging loan deposit to buy the property, and you've got £25,000 left to do the any works or refurbs that you need and any legals and legal professional fees. Mm-hmm. So buy below value, add value, and then sell it on and turn that 20. If you do it properly, that 50k can be turned into 75k. So you should make 25k profit on a decent flip or refurb, same difference. Yeah. So that's what I would do. Obviously, if you're in certain parts of the country, then that's not going to be practical because of the cost. But if you kind of move, or not move, but if you look around the Midlands or the northern areas, then there's plenty of deals to be found. So that's what I'd do. 50 grand, put it into a property, refurb it, add value, sell it for a profit.